Due to the relaxing nature of this hypnosis program, do not drive, operate heavy machinery, or engage in any activity that requires conscious thinking while listening to it. Everyone has inner resources that are available to them. Inner resources include creativity, self-discipline, confidence, intelligence, determination, courage, knowledge, attitude, passion, and awareness. This NLP technique will assist you in tapping into your inner resources and strengthening them so that you can use them whenever and wherever you wish. So if you choose to, you can participate in this exercise. Start by closing your eyes. And as you close your eyes, begin to focus on your breathing. Feeling the coolness as you breathe in and feeling the warmth as you breathe out. The coolness as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. And just allow every breath that you take to move you further and deeper into relaxation. And begin to focus your awareness inwardly. Begin to become aware of an inner resource that you wish to develop. Perhaps you wish to increase and expand your confidence, or courage, or knowledge, or creativity. But become aware of the inner resource that you would like to develop. Have it? Good. Now, think back to a time in your life when you experienced a lot of that inner resource. Choosing one specific memory or one specific event where that inner resource was particularly alive and active for you. And as you become aware of this memory, of this moment when that inner resource was extremely alive and active, notice what you experienced. What did you feel in your body? Notice your thoughts. Notice what you saw, heard, and experienced in that moment when you were experiencing that inner resource. Now make the feelings twice as strong, the colors twice as bright. Make it as clear as you can in your mind. Good. Now, let's create an anchor, a physical signal that you can give yourself whenever and wherever you wish to activate this inner resource. So you may choose to rub your thumb and your first finger together, or make a fist with your hand, or touch your nose, some sort of a physical signal to connect you to this inner resource. Do that now. Good. So every time that you give yourself that physical signal, it will instantly, rapidly, and completely bring you into the state where this inner resource is available. Now, take a deep breath and just let go. And think of future times and places where you would like to experience this inner resource, where you would like to experience more of it. And imagine yourself in that future time, in that future experience, and give yourself your physical signal and allow that inner resource to return to you. Feel it, sense it, experience it. And see, hear, feel, and experience what it will be like to have that inner resource available to you in that future memory. Notice the feelings associated with that. Good. Every time that you need to strengthen yourself from within, all that you need do is give yourself this physical signal. Now take a deep breath and let that future experience go, knowing now that you can access this inner resource whenever and wherever you wish, bringing yourself back to the present moment. As I count from 1 to 10, when I reach the count of 10, you'll open your eyes, you'll be back in the room, and you'll feel very good in every way. Starting now at 1, emerging from relaxation. 2, 3, coming up now. 4, 5, 6, 7, emerging from relaxation. 8, 9, and 10. Eyes wide open, back in the room, back in the here and the now, fully awake, fully refreshed in every way, and feeling better than you have in a long, long time. Welcome back.